Next section, cultural response to sickness and choice of treatment. For study, we need to know about what is meant by culture, sickness and treatment. Detail going on, sickness. Sickness refers to a state of social dysfunction due to diseases. Culture and sickness. Look at this picture. The food habits, vegetables can promote. Cultural factors influence sickness. Hence, culture is an inevitable choice of treatment. Cultural modification can cure the sickness and prevent the diseases and promotion of health. Example, cardiovascular diseases. Look at this picture. Junk food, food habits cause illness, obesity. Look at this. Regular exercise can promote health and prevent the diseases. Look at this picture. Mosquitoes life cycle. Good culture, standard culture can prevent production of mosquitoes to prevent communicable diseases. Cultural response to sickness. Cultural factors determine sickness. Communicable diseases determined by culture. The cultural response to influence non-communicable diseases. Mental health problems also determined by the cultural factors. Look at this poster. Heightened health risk, El Nino related, climate change, harmful cultural practices, may degeneration of environment, which leads to various new kinds of diseases, including communicable and non-communicable, respiratory diseases. Then healthcare reduction, pollution, air pollution, food insecurity, decreased water quality, lack of water supply and sanitation, population displacement, damaged infrastructure, contaminated water, increased radiations and animal host, and increase vectors. Choice of treatment. Hence, there is no way to treat and prevent the diseases. Cultural modification is only way to control the diseases and manage to treat the modern health risk. Treatment for communicable diseases. Example, to prevent pandemic and endemics, also manage that type of situation. The cultural modification is essential. Treatment for non-communicable diseases such as cardiovascular, diabetes, the culture is only choice to treat. Treatment for mental health problem, Maximum of mental health issues due to cultural factors, unstandardized culture, negative belief towards the self. So culture is only one choice to treat the mental health issues. By means of cultural modification, such as change culture and cross-cultural study, comparative study between two cultural phenomena, and identify the health issues. Then medical anthropology, study about ancient culture and modern culture and try to solve the issues, healthcare issues. Cultural meaning of sickness, the knowledge, belief, moral, law and customs are determining the health status of individual and society. The cultural factors influence the physical, mental and social welfare of an individual. Hence, culture is influence the sickness. Behavioral pattern can be influenced and determine the sickness. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.